just received that massive, I can't say massive, but it was substantial Black Friday shoe haul. And I will say I am so excited to dive into these boxes with you. I haven't even peeked. So, you know what? Let's just dive right in, and I am going to look at the first pair. So let's start with our first pair, which will be the Flamingo-1040GP. These ones are the Fuchsia and Black. These ones are a patent, an 8-inch heel and a 4-inch platform. They are a two-toned, which I extremely love. I love a two-tone heel. I find them super sexy. I believe I have a few different two-tone ones. These ones I've had my eyes on for a while, and I figured I didn't really have any fuchsia heels. So these are the Flamingos 868 in the fuchsia and black pattern. One thing that these ones always remind me of, they remind me a little bit of like a Barbie shoe as well. I love the ankle strap. I always find that anything with an ankle strap is always super sexy. It always kind of makes a woman's leg look extremely elegant and gives a little bit more of like that daintiness around her ankle, which I find very appealing on a woman. I also think that has a really nice small toe box without it being super narrow. So I'm curious if this is going to squeeze my toes too much or not. I did do a size 6. Normally I'm always a size 6. Usually in some heels for pleasers I do size up, but usually they're true to size. But I really like these ones. So I'm really excited to try them on. Are the Flamingos 868 in the fuchsia and black patent. The next pair are the Adore 700 SK. So these ones here are 7-inch heel as well, but they only have a 2.75-inch platform. Ones are a little bit different. I thought I would choose something a little different, and I always have them kind of in the back of my mind as, should I get them? Shouldn't I get them? Do I want them? Would I wear them? And this time I was like, know what? I'm going to wear them. I am so going to wear them. So, these guys. So, they essentially just look like a Converse booty. Which, I'm a Converse girl. Like a Chuck Taylor, here I am. And they're looking a little rough right now. I actually could use a new pair. Wear my Vans, or don't they look so cute? They look actually quite tiny. I got another pair of booties. These ones are the Adore 1033s. These ones here have a beautiful quilting on the side and a really pretty buckle. I wanted to replace my short boots that I had for quite some time now. They were just my regular plain black booties. They're 7-inch, super cute, easy to wear. We're on our 4th pair of heels. These ones will be another booty. I went on apparently a booty spree. A joke. I'm sorry. Dad joke. I think I'm funny, but really I'm probably not. I laugh at my own jokes all the time. I probably shouldn't admit to that, but I do. There are the Flamingo-1040GP in the baby blue glitter. These ones, oh my goodness, I'm so excited for. So a little bit of a backstory before I actually pull these out of the box and show you their beautifulness. So I have a thing for blue, and for the most part I like more of a lighter shade of blue. There's these blue boots that have sparkles that I just love. And I wanted them in the 7-inch. I wanted them in the doors. But a man talked me into doing the flamingos instead, because he's like, are you really gonna always wear out a pair of sparkle boots all the time? He's like, I think you would like your 8-inch boots better. And know what? I 100% agree, because an 8-inch pair of sparkle boots just means more sparkles. Isn't that right? So let's take a look at my Flamingo boots. Oh, look at these. And man, the light will catch these. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. Isn't that gorgeous? I am definitely glad I went with the 8, because yes, you definitely get more sparkle because you get more platform. I love how they match the laces perfectly with them. I think it feels so nice and soft inside. Like it feels like a nice suede inside. So I'm really excited to feel that. These ones were one of my top picks. Aren't they gorgeous? These are the final pair of my shoe haul. Beyond's 4000 in the black patent. These are a 10-inch heel with a 6.25 platform. It's like quite the package you get here. These are the Beyond 4000. I did go with a size 6 as well, which I never do, but it did say it was true to size, so I'm hoping that is the case. I love how shiny they are, even though now I just put my fingerprints all over the platform. It has a little zip on the side here, so you still have to kind of wiggle your foot in there, and then you have to wobble your way down, but At least there is a zip. So I'm excited to try these guys out. And it still has a little bit of stretch up top here. So there you have it, my big Black Friday shoe haul of my awesome pleaser heels. So tell me what you think. Did you like any of the pairs? Which one was your favorite? I know which one was my favorite. I love the blue sparkles. I'm a sparkle girl, I can't help it. But realistically, all of them touch me in a little way in my heart because I'm a shoe girl. I love shoes. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.